I'm Anil Kumar and we will further explore quadratic equations. The question here is the quadratic equation 3x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 has two distinct zeros at x equals to minus 1 and at x equals to 2. Determine the values of b and c. So that is the question. You can pause the video and answer. Well, we can apply a couple of methods and we can discuss two methods in this particular video. One of the methods is when we are given that these are the roots, we can just write down the factors. X minus 1 means x plus 1 is the factor. 2 means x minus 2 is the factor, correct? So we'll have a function which is y equals to this, and we can just write a here. So that becomes the family of function, right? So let us expand and see what do we get. So let's say a is outside and we get x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2. And then we get a times x squared, and when you combine these two terms we get x minus x and minus 2, right? So this is what we get. Now in the given equation a is 3, so I have to take a value of a as 3. So if I say a equals to 3 and expand this, I get 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. Do you get the point? Once I have this equation, I can compare, right? So I can compare now and write down that b should be equal to minus 3, right? So I get b equals to minus 3 and c is equals to minus 6. So that is how I can get the values. Now here is an alternate way of doing it. Normally, you can also write a quadratic equation as a equals to x squared minus sum of roots a plus b x plus product of roots a times b, right? So if you take this equation and write in this form, you could write this as x squared plus b over 3, right? Since there is 3 here. So you have to divide everything by 3, correct? And then you get plus c over 3. Now the roots are given to us as minus 1 and 2. So that means their product is equals to c over 3. So we can write c over 3 is equals to minus 1 times 2, which is minus 2, or c is equals to minus 2 times 3, which is minus 6, correct? So you get the same answer. Do you see that? So this is a very good method of solving such equations, right? Now sum of the roots a plus b is negative of this value. So sum of the roots are minus 1 plus 2, that is the sum of these two roots, right? And is equals to negative of a plus b. Now in this case, we have taken this, and in this case we have b over 3 as the, so we are comparing these two, right? So we have on this side minus 2 plus 3 is equals to plus 1, so we can write b equals to minus 3, right? So 1 times minus 3. So we get the value of b as minus 3. So we get the same answer. Do you get the idea? So that is how you can actually find the roots. So this is a very useful formula which can be applied whenever we are working with roots of quadratic equations. We'll explore it further. Thank you and all the best.